Alright everybody, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Going to fish a little bit before work today. So we got one pole out already. It's got a crappie head on it from my catch and cook earlier in my channel. Did a catch and cook and I saved the crappie head, so fishing with that. I'm gonna try to get some shad right now. Hopefully we can get some. That's Kentucky over there. But get some shad, and I'm gonna throw some diver baits and stuff like that, try to get some blow ups. So let's see what we can get. Score shad or something out there, but got him. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? No freaking way! What the heck is this? Is this a saugeye? Oh my goodness. And he's got some big old teeth on him. I don't know if you guys can really hear. Let me turn my light on. It probably don't help. What the heck is this thing? Freaking teeth on him though. I don't know what the heck this is. See you later, buddy. I'm not sure what that is.